Hi, I'm Jeff from the New Haven Cap in Cork. My goal this holiday season is to help you find that perfect gift for everyone on your list.
Happy holiday. I'm Christian from Covington Plaza, and time of the year when you have to give gift to your friend and so on. So my favorite thing to give is a sparkling wine champagne, which is absolutely wonderful with everything you drink and eat. Finish well with dessert, go with appetizer, and that's just what you need. Come visit us. We have some